In other news, a local police department is using a federal grant to help with calls involving a mental health crisis. The Merriam Police Department now has a second co-responder to help with these very types of calls.
KSHB 41 News reporter Gian Kim explains how vital these co-responders can be.
Co-responders are licensed clinicians. They're employed by the Johnson County Mental Health Center and undergo specialized training to work with the officers. Merriam Police says they respond to numerous mental health calls each year, and it is vital that these resources are in place in case of escalating situations.
Merriam Police Chief Darren McLaughlin started in law enforcement in the late 80s. Year after year, more cases have been rooted in mental health.
At times, we don't have the tools to solve the problem.
That frustration led to a coalition of 7 Johnson County cities. They created the Co-Responder Program in 2017 to add a social work component to mental health cases.
Police are getting called out on these 911 calls that are mental health crises.
Jen Melby used to be the only co-responder overseeing 5 of those cities. Lenexa and Prairie Village broke off in 2019.
Merriam was able to apply for the JAG grant and to show the need that we needed another co-responder in the Northeast.
The Federal Justice Assistance Grant gave the coalition enough funds to hire Andy Massey.
So in the back, we have things like, informational door hangers. We have socks, hand sanitizer.
He tells me part of the social work is making sure people's basic needs are taken care of, providing food, hygiene products, and harm reduction tools for suicide or overdose. As a team, it's stories like this that make their work worthwhile.
We've had a client really well known to the mental health center, and she was making some pretty serious threats towards the mental health center and also towards officers. And because of the program and because of the respect that they have for the program, they listened to us and they didn't take her to jail, and we were able to get her in the hospital and get her stabilized on her medications.
Gian Kim, KSHB 41 News.